Hi, I'm Shrishti from EQ Consulting Services Private Limited. Today I'll be showing you that how the laundry management software actually works. Basically, this is a demo video of the site. First option you will get on the site is the dashboard. From here we can see or overview the pending orders, pickup orders, processing orders, ready to deliver and delivered orders. Here is also a fast tracking chart of it. Then you have POS option, that is point of sales. From here we can add our new customers or orders too, like their names, phone number, email ID and address. We can also add the cloth type, if it is for the iron, normal iron, steam iron, wash or clean. Once we are done, we can generate the invoice and prepare our bill. Then thirdly, we have the order option. Here we can see order information, customer order, amount, status, payment and created by option. And from here we can also see the view due option, where we can manage our due orders. Here we can also add new orders such as their type, category, like if it is for only wash, men, women or kids. Then we have the expense. So here we can view and manage our expenses related things. Also we can add new expenses with their date, expense category, expense amount, payment mode and note. Then we'll get the expense category option, where we can view the category of expense and can also add new categories. Then we have the delivery boy option. Here we can add the details of our delivery person, such as their name, contact, address and status if they have approved it. Then upside right we can see the option of adding a new delivery agent. We can add their name, phone number, email, password, address and status of. Then we get the customer option. Here we can see our customers details such as their name, contact, address, status, and we can also add new customers along with their name, contact number, email, address and status. Then we have the option of branch or store option. So from here we can manage our multiple branches or stores at a time, which is actually great. So where we can see the details of it too, such as the store name, contact, address, status, and from here we can add our new branches or stores along with their details like name, phone number, email, username, password, finance setting, firm address and admin section. Then we'll get the product option. Here we can overview product list such as category name, subcategory name, product type, price and status. We can also add new products along with their details. And last but not the least, we have the report option. Here we can see and manage details related to particulars and values. From here we can overview our daily reports along with report, sales report, expense report, customer report, and all out here are customizable. So that's it about the laundry management software. I hope I made the demo easier for you to understand. Stay tuned for such more informational videos. And thanks for watching.